For this installation, you'll need a number 2 Phillips head hand screwdriver, a flathead hand screwdriver, a drill or driver with a number 2 Phillips bit, a stepladder, and of course, the appropriate safety equipment. Start by inserting a hinge cup in both the top and bottom bracket on the hinge side of your door. These must be inserted for the storm door to fit within the opening. Then insert the storm door's bottom pin hinge into the lower hinge cup. Use a flathead screwdriver to pull the top pin hinge down through the slot in the door while tilting the storm door into the opening. Remove the screwdriver. At this point, the top pin hinge should extend fully in place. Now remove packaging from the movable slider pad on the brick mold. Place the strike plate into the recessed area located on the latch side brick mold. Note that the strike plate is not symmetrical, and the larger flat area of the strike plate should be toward the bottom when you place it into the recessed area. Make sure it's flush with the brick mold and secure with screws. Do this carefully so as not to over-tighten or strip out the brick mold material. Now locate the lock body. For left-handed doors, tighten the top and bottom screws to securely fasten to the door. For right-handed doors, loosen the screws on the lock body faceplate. Push the latch bolt in behind the lock body faceplate and rotate to face the direction shown. Tighten the screws. Then insert the lock body into the lock slot. Align the top and bottom screws with the pre-drilled holes and fasten the lock body to the edge of door. Now we'll position the interior quick fit faceplate. Open the quick fit handle kit. Then insert the deadbolt spindle through the lock body and insert the faceplate screws through the interior side of the door. Align the funnels on the exterior faceplate with the screws and insert the deadbolt spindle into key cylinder. Tighten the screws just slightly with your fingers. Now insert the handle spindle through the lock body and into the opposite handle. If you have a curved design, the handle curve may go up or down, based on personal preference. You can insert the handle spindle from the interior to reverse direction of the curve. Then push the handles together and tighten the set screw with the Allen wrench provided. Then tighten interior faceplate screws. Next, we'll attach the hidden closer arm. For a left-handed door, the hinge is on the right side, so the R designator on the closer arm must be visible when installed. For a right-handed door, the hinge is on the left side, so the L designator on the closer arm must be visible when installed. Attach the hidden closer arm, then insert the closer bolt and tighten with the Allen wrench. Open the closer arm 90 degrees and hold it in place while you insert the installation pin into the hole on the closer. You'll notice the closer arm has some tension and will try to return to the original position when released. Now install the closer into the top pocket of the door. Secure it with 2 screws that came in the hidden closer kit. Close the door slowly to align the holes of the closer arm and the holes of the slider pad with each other. Use the Allen wrench to install the slider bolt. Make sure you do not over-tighten, as this can cause binding. Now open the door slightly and remove the installation pin. Open the door all the way until the hold open clip engages with the slider pad. You can adjust the speed at which the door closes by using a flathead screwdriver. Turn the screw 1/8 of a rotation at a time. Go clockwise for a slower close, or counterclockwise for a faster close. Check the speed of the close after each 1/8 increment. Do not loosen the screw more than 3 turns from the fully tightened position. Now center the storm door expander on the bottom, inside of the storm door. Make sure the sweep lightly contacts the threshold when the door is closed. Secure it with 2 screws into the center of each expander hole. Your impression storm and entry door system comes with a screen insert and a glass insert. Choose the one you wish to install at this time. Remove the 4 yellow clips on the insert. Do this carefully because once the clips are removed, the screen or glass insert can fall out. To install the screen insert, stand on the interior side of the storm door and make sure the screen clips are facing outward. If needed, gently expand the center of the screen to align the screen clips with the door channel. Locate the two retainer strips and insert one side starting at the top and working down, applying pressure along the way until it snaps securely into place. Repeat on the opposite side. Your storm door is now installed on the unit, and your Impressions integrated storm and entry door system is ready for use.